Welcome to the very first session of Chromatic. Here I'm going to show you very core basic features that will help you get started. Starting with a feature where you can create an image. So if you want to start creating an image, you can go to plus, select generate image option. It will create a text to image node for you. And from here, you'll be able to explore all the different models. So we have Nano Banana, Midjourney, GPT. So all bunch of models and the respective credits that will cost to run that model. So for example, if you want to use Midjourney, you can select it. And then you'll be able to select the aspect ratio from here. You can type the prompt and you can generate. You can do the similar things for video as well. So you can use Kling, you can use Cdance, you can use Happy Horse, Minimax. So all bunch of models which are out there. So this is very basic way of creating a node. If you want to upload anything or take some notes, you can do that as well. Text node mostly works if you want to write a script here or have certain visual language that you want to make sure. So you can do that using a text node. Now, this is what it makes it pretty interesting, that you don't have to figure out what sort of prompt you want to make. So let's try creating an image. Hey Light, I want to create an image of a very bright apple with bright blue background, and use Midjourney 8.1 for this exploration. So the moment I have shared my thought, I can just send this to the assistant, and Light, that's our assistant, it will figure out the intent, the prompt, and what sort of prompt which is much optimized for Midjourney. So if you're making a seed dance video, you can just let the assistant know, hey, I want to make this sort of video, sharing your thoughts on the creative direction, and it will figure out the prompt that works with seed dance. So it has given us a node. I'll much rather prefer this in a landscape orientation. So I'll select that. This looks good, and I'll hit generate. So now the generation has been started. Midjourney is a relatively faster model. So it will, I think, take 10-15 seconds to give us an output. So let's wait for that. So here we are. So it has generated a crisp image of Apple. Very nice. So if you want to see the high definition, you double tap on any image. You'll get the prompt as well that was used in that image. You'll get to see which model you have used, what are its dimension, and you'll be able to see the image. And here you will be able to download it. So now, once the image is generated, you can do a bunch of things with that. So you can edit and rerun. So let's say if that image is not great, so you can edit and rerun. So the moment you click on edit and rerun, it will open up that same empty state with that prompt preloaded. The next feature is to edit this image. You can adjust the light, upscale this. You can create a video out of this as well. And if you don't want to do by this route, you can just select this, turn the vision on. So the moment you turn the vision on, the light understands this is the thing you're talking about. And hey, I want to animate this, go full on crazy in terms of revealing this apple, make this explode, but do that really organically and nicely. So this is something I wanted to do. Um, Perhaps also use CDance 2.5 and do this for like 4 seconds. So now we are testing CDance 2.5. So if I'll hit that, so now assistant will understand, hey, this is the image they have selected. We have turned on the vision, so it sends the exact information about that selected image. And now it had figured out ki, hey, the user wants to use CDance 2.5, duration 4 seconds, and it pulls. So let's use CDance 2.5, and I think the prompt the assistant will figure out as per the prompting guidelines of CDANS 2.5. So whichever model you have selected, it will pick up those prompt guidelines and make the very detailed prompt for that. So you don't have to worry about uh, figuring out doing back and forth with GPT or different LLMs and maintaining the prompt guidelines. And yeah, I think this looks good, so I'll hit generate. Another thing, while that is being generated, I'll tell you, if you want to select anything and send the context to the assistant, you can select by dragging here. And the moment you drag, these will be loaded here. So you are able to like send that content to the light. So if you want to edit anything out here, if you want to select this and hey, I want to use Grok to edit this such that the apple is replaced with an orange. So if I'll do that, it will take that uh, assistant and now it will figure out, hey, Grok sounds like Grok Imagine. So it got that right. So it is now generating a image generation edit prompt. So yeah, now we got that. The edit prompt, it has selected Grok and auto, it's fine. We can even go for 2K and then we'll hit generate. And here we are. So now our apple is orangey apple, which is uh, a mistake. So it looks like an apple. So I'll select this. I'll tell it ki, hey, this looks like an apple. I wanted the apple fruit to be replaced with orange fruit. So can you fix that for me? So now let's see what it does about it. So now even for more complex cases, like if you're playing around with text, you can use models like GPT Image 2. So GPT Image 2 does really great with text renderings. If you want to create really nice looking models, you can use Midjourney. So these are a few learnings. Our team is trying to put this out in the model section as well, but just wanted to share that with you. So let's use Grok Imagine Edit, and then we'll just run this. In the meantime, let's look at the video that we have generated. Oh, nice. So now as per the suggestion, so if you want to look at any video, you can even just hover on top of it. If you want to look at the higher quality, just double tap on it. And this is our apple which is being exploded. And now lastly, let's see how this turns out. So now this has made the apple to be an orange and this looks pretty neat. So now here we are. This is Chromatics Platform 101. Till next time.